Welcome to the SiteCozy website checker. Here you will use the user email and the password that you used during your registration. When you're ready, you click on login now. On the left side, you click on website scanner, and I do encourage you to press this button to hide the sidebar so that we've got the maximum space for the report here. Here you will enter the URL that you want to see reviewed. So it's going to crawl every internal links from that particular first URL. So it means that it will look into the href URLs and see whether it's external or internal. And if it's internal, the robot will follow this particular URL and restart the process, the scanning process. And in this scanning process, basically the SiteCozy site scanner is going to check the href URL, internal and external, the ing src tags, so internal and external URL from image files, and also iframe. And if it finds a 404, not found error, you will find that in this area. So I would like also to add that you should put, HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning of your URL. Otherwise, it's not going to work. I can show you the error message that you would have, So please, at the beginning of the URL, add HTTP or HTTP, or HTTPS. Once you're ready, you press submit. If you wanted, you could add, some URL to exclude here or there. And once you press submit, you see two progress bars like those ones. It means that the crawler is working. And we can see that because of the number of scan links, because this number is updated live. In this second form, that's in case if you want only a list of URL to be reviewed. And in this case, it will not work like a crawler. Only that particular list of URLs are going to be scanned. So, as you can see, the report is updated live, so you can start debugging your website right from the beginning. You don't need to wait for the end of the scanning process in order to start fixing your 404 not found errors. So here we've got an error page which returned a 404 not found. So it means that this is a broken link, basically. And in order to fix that, we should go to that particular host page. And that would be, in the HTML code of that particular host page. So here I selected, this particular URL. I do a Ctrl+C or a Command+C because I am on a Mac. Then I can do here a right click. I click on View Page Source. Then I click on Ctrl+F, in order to find, the said URL. And I do a Ctrl+V in order to paste my URL. And so if I click on that particular URL, it returns a not found 404 error, actually, So that's something very important, because then it means that you should remove this URL, or you should modify this URL, or you should add, this image file. You should perhaps upload this image file to your web server in order to fix this 44 not found error. So we saw that they are not actually, the crawler does not return only the 44 not found errors, but also mixed content errors, server errors, timeout, malformatted URLs like this one, you know, because there are sometimes issues with characters. And if I do once again the same thing with this particular error page, so I saw that there is a 44 not found here, but here if I want, you know, to do exactly the same thing, so I just select the URL which returned this 44 not found. It's a broken link. I do a Ctrl+C, Command+C if you are on a Mac. Then I click here on the host page, and I do a right click and click View Page Source. Then I do Ctrl+F and then Ctrl+V. So I've got to do something about this URL. Should remove it, or I should, you know, upload this particular URL. I should do something about it because it returns usually a not found 404 not found error, you know. So that's how you can fix your 404 not found broken links errors with SiteCozy website checker. I would like to add that at the end of the scanning process, you can find the link of internal links here, you know, internal images, internal iframe, and external iframes. Also, you've got a statistics report here.